Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to write a song on ChatGPT, but it's honestly how do you generate a song from ChatGPT. So I'm going to write into the search bar right here, write me a song about the rich life in Tupac style. So after I type that in, I'm going to click on enter. Now that I've typed that in, ChatGPT starts generating it right away. So let's see what it creates for us. So as you can see here, it actually created me a full song. So let's see the first verse. I was born with the hunger for more, working my way up from the floor, starting with nothing but a dream. Now I'm living the rich life. It's all it seems. I'm not a rapper, but I can say that this is like a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. And then it created a chorus, a verse two, bridge, and an outro. You guys can use any type of description to create a song. It's pretty easy to use. So if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.